Tulong para basahin, magdasal, sama tayo yan. Okay ho? Okay ho? So huwag kayo mainit, no? Kasi kasali lahat. Lahat kasali? Ayan. Sige ho. Tapos, ano ba? Ating mga girl? Ayan.
Good morning!
po.
I'm happy to introduce to you our guest speaker and chair today, Mr. Clyde Erickson Velasco. He is an educator by profession, and he is currently forming the young classes at St. Scholastics College. We know him for a very long time because he has long been a long-time disciple of our Lord and a dedicated servant of the church. He has evolved in the ministry from children's ministry to the ministry of altar servers, from being the PYM coordinator and then eventually entered the seminary life until he heeded the call of formation and education. He is a multi-award